There once was a princess whose skin was her prison. With care and tailor-made formulas, Dr. Erno Laszlo set her free. He spoke the language of skin. No one-size-fits-all, but a bespoke ritual for each individual, a customized cleansing duo for all. The doctor was the darling of Budapest, but when times turned ugly, he headed west. Ava, Audrey, and Marilyn fell under his spell, royalty and socialites as well. He created Formula 3-9 to repair and protect Miss Monroe's luster. Known the world over as the maestro of skin, he believed in beauty from within. In New York, he established the Institute, where every client received personal attention for skin perfection. Through innovative science, research, and passion, emerge masks and serums to suit every fashion. In the future, every tale of beauty will be bespoke, every concern will be met, and your skin will live happily ever after. For you, only you.